Humanoid robotics will advance very quickly. I think we do have some of the Tesla Optimus robots doing simple tasks in the factory. We expect probably later this year. By the end of this year, I think they'll be doing more complex tasks.
Elon Musk rarely talks about when the Tesla bot Optimus will go on sale, but recently the Tesla CEO has pretty much answered the question everyone's been asking. When can we buy a Tesla bot? During a conversation at the World Economic Forum Annual Meeting 2026, Musk shared some early plans for the Optimus robot, revealing everything from its intended tasks to a potential launch timeline. Previously, Musk confirmed that the Gen 3 Tesla bot would debut this quarter and would be the first official commercial version. Right now, the Tesla bot is still handling basic tasks inside Tesla factories, but Musk believes it will be capable of much more complex work by the end of the year before it's released to customers. By the end of next year, he thinks Tesla will be selling humanoid robots to the public, once they're confident in very high reliability, very high safety, and a broad range of functionality. Even though Optimus Gen 3 is set to launch this quarter as Tesla's first official commercial version, Musk made it clear that a wide public release won't happen until late 2027. He explained that launching a humanoid robot is completely different from launching a car, since Optimus is designed to work autonomously around people in factories, warehouses, and eventually homes, requiring much higher safety and predictability. Throughout 2026, Tesla will deploy Optimus Gen 3 exclusively inside its own factories as a large-scale real-world trial, generating data to improve movement, awareness, decision-making, and handling unexpected situations. Musk also noted the complexity of manufacturing, stating that nearly all of Optimus Gen 3's critical systems are brand new designs, which naturally leads to a slow production ramp focused on quality and stability. He highlighted the robot's potential role in caring for the elderly, watching over children, and helping with pets, calling it something nearly everyone on Earth would want if it proves safe and reliable. Musk described Optimus as a humanitarian breakthrough that could assist with elder care, reduce loneliness, help families under pressure, and support parents rather than replace them. He emphasized that home robots must be governed by hardware-level safety and never override human control. Musk also repeated his belief that AI could surpass human intelligence as early as 2026 and potentially become smarter than all humanity combined by 2030 or 2031, while acknowledging serious risks and the need for extreme caution. Critics like NYU professor Gary Marcus dismissed Musk's timelines as unrealistic, pointing to the lack of proven, safe, affordable humanoid robots and Musk's history of overly optimistic predictions, something Musk himself has admitted. Despite skepticism, Musk concluded by expressing hope for a future where humanity remains wise and strong enough to stay in control of the powerful technologies it creates.